Well, here we go again. Gonna try and get some work done on my 56 Chevy truck. Gotta replace the turn signal cup and wiring, because brakes, everything works, all the lights. It's still got the original wiring, and I was amazed when I got this thing running that all the lights, everything, wipers, everything still works. But for some reason, when you mess with the turn signal, and I know they're connected, I know what the reason is, but the brake lights will go out, so, and stop working. So I need to put a new one in. So I'm gonna figure out how to get this dang horn off. I don't know if it, I'm not sure if it pops off, or I think it does if it's like any of the other cars, but I should. Oh, it looks like there's a smaller screwdriver. It looks like there's a, it did disconnect. Whoops, there it goes. So there are spring clips in here that hold this on. Oops, sorry. I was sitting in my truck and on a bucket because the seat's out, so I almost fell over. But anyway, I wanted you to see that. Anyway, okay. Hopefully it's not too dark in here to see. But okay, so I got a nut, I got a puller. So I'm gonna pull this nut off. This should come out. There should be some bolts in here that I can use the puller to yank this sucker off. So let me go get the tools. Work with. Nice. Okay. Well, that worked. I'm gonna take it. I had to retap that center hole, but clean it up, I guess, enough for it to grab. Okay, steering wheel off. Okay, but once again, I can't find any videos on taking this thing out, this cup assembly. That's the screw that you take out. I'm not sure what this hose clamp is for, but that screw I was told I need to take out. Now would probably be a good time to go get the new one and check it out. Okay, so it looks like I didn't need to take it apart that much. I just need to unplug the wires at the bottom here and then slide this sucker off. So down here's where the wires go in. So this is I'll let you know how it goes. First thing I'm gonna do is get this hose clamp off. The next step's gonna be to pull out all these wires. Let me get my glasses and see what I'm doing, and just be real careful. You don't. You know what? It might be a good idea, especially if you're me, to take pictures of the wires. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I did mark these too, just because sometimes I get pretty forgetful. So it's, and there's two, oh shoot, there's two blacks, so I'm assume that those are grounds, so it doesn't matter which black, but I'll just find out here in a second. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna pull this back. I'll put new tape on it. And looks like I got some kind of a cover here that I will take off right there. this up here out of the way. So now I'm going to have to just pull the cup off and feed these through. So I'm going to move back. Well, I'm hoping this is straight, but let's see how we come off here. I don't really care about damaging the old one. Oh, okay, got the cup off. The other part will go in easier. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it comes out as easy as it goes in. I don't really want to have to take all this apart if I don't have to, but we will see. I think what I'm going to do is get some electrical tape, tape all these together so they don't grab anything going down. Because I think if I just try and shove them all down, I can't get that lucky, right? Right? Can I? Well, yeah. I guess I can get that lucky. So, as I told you before, I am just a backyard mechanic. I've been working on cars. Ooh, what am I doing there? Maybe I don't want to do that. Oh, okay, so that's, oh, gotcha. That's what that's for. Okay, so that screw, I don't know if you can see this. You know what? I don't know if you can see that, but that screw in the back right there is a wedge. So I've got it unscrewed almost all the way. And then there's a notch right here. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to get my beard in the way. And we're gonna just slide this. There's the turn signal. So we should keep these wires as flat as possible. And okay, so I wonder if they put that on there. The hose clamp, I should have probably left it on. I could have done my measurement from it, but that's okay. What I'm gonna do is I'll butt that up against I'll tighten that up after I get the steering wheel on, right? So, okay. That was too easy. So, I'm gonna move thank God, and go down here now and plug everything in down here to their perspective. Sorry, camera's backward right there. So I'll be back in a second here. They give you lots of extra wires. So I'll have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that after, I guess. Alright, run this in a little. Okay. there it should be. I'll tuck the wires up underneath a little bit more after. Okay, here goes, nothing. Turn the key on. Oh yeah. Left blinker, right blinker. And my wife says that the brake lights still work too. Awesome. So we're good. So I'm gonna clean up my steering wheel a little bit. Now I got me a new horn switch, which I need to. Okay. New horn switch, new turn signal I didn't have. So that won't be original equipment. And if you're smart, I would have marked. It looks like there's a mark in there already, but got no clue where it lines up. So I'm gonna hopefully take a guess here, and this will go inside of here after. Yeah. Anywho, I hope it works. I hope it lines up to where it's supposed to be. Oops. Almost forgot. I guess I can always pull it back off if it's right. Now it's easy to get on and off, because I had it off for a while. After I get my thing lined up, I'll take it for a test drive. I'm not even going to tighten that up for a time. And then I'm going to slide this up to here. And I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to want to leave a little bit of a gap in there. So like that, I guess. Okay. We'll leave a little bit of a gap, and then we're gonna tighten up this wedge and see how it goes. Okay, no noise. Okay. Oh, did I block it with my head? I'm sorry. Anyway, that's that. And then we'll put this on, and I'll be so excited to have turn signals that won't turn my off my brake lights. Nice. Okay. So that is that. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I make these videos because I can't find one on the internet. So I love working on old cars and bikes. And whether it's working on my 56 Chevy truck or my 2009 Harley Road King, I'll make a video for it. And hopefully it will help others who like to also work on their vehicles and can't find any videos to help them out. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and also if I did something wrong or you have an easier way to do it, then please leave a comment down there at the bottom. And once again, I really appreciate you watching my videos, and thanks. Hope you have a blessed day today.